Good afternoon. I'm Tim Baroody, City Manager of Fredericksburg, here to offer another update. Yesterday, Governor Northam did issue Executive Order number 53. This imposed new restrictions on businesses, ordering some to close entirely, prohibiting dine-in operations at food service establishments, breweries, and wineries, and limiting all public and private gatherings to 10 people or less. With this action, my emergency order number 1, as amended, has effectively been superseded, as all elements of the city's order now have corresponding state regulations that are more restrictive. Therefore, I'm withdrawing order number 1 effective 11/59 this evening, when the governor's more restrictive state order goes into effect. The governor's executive order is posted on the city's website at www.fredericksburgva.gov. We continue to implore residents and business owners to follow federal, state guidance and directives, including, most importantly, guidance to generally stay home. This guidance continues to evolve, and I'm sorry for that, but the city will continue to do its best to keep information flowing daily. We still very much want you to take advantage of our local restaurants by ordering delivery or takeout and buying gift cards and shopping online locally. But at the same time, please know that our police department will be working to enforce these new state restrictions. Now I'd like to introduce Diane Beyer, our Director of Public Works. She'll offer some updates as it relates to Public Works, and then I'll look for Deputy Chief Jones to again update on COVID-19 and our actions in the city. Be safe.
Good afternoon. Public Works is continuing to provide services, but with a much reduced team citywide. Although there is no change to trash and recycling pickups at this time, please be patient with the crews if they do not reach your location at the time you usually see them. They will get there. Please abide by the trash requirements and do not place additional bags next to your trash toters. We understand that many families are home and may be generating more trash, which is another discussion altogether. But please do not place trash bags outside of the toter. They will not be picked up. Also, please make sure to have all your trash bagged that is in the toter. Be considerate of our hardworking crews, and by bagging trash, there's less likelihood of items splashing or otherwise contacting our crew members. Bellman Road and the Arbord Landfill Convenience Centers will now be closed on Sundays and Monday. These changes are being made to be able to maintain our operations with less labor. Please do not flush anything other than toilet paper. No wipes in the pipes. We are checking trouble spots daily throughout the city, but we are hoping everyone will remain vigilant and monitor disposal of items that are not to be flushed. Flushable on a product does not mean it disintegrates or that it's okay to put into the system. Remember that the sewer pipe from your sinks and toilets all the way to the city's main line is the responsibility of the home or business owner. So the clog you may prevent may be your own. Grease is another item not to put into the system. If you see city crews out and about, and you will for now, please respect their space and remember to social distance. They have families and coworkers they need to consider as well, and if they know you will respect them in this way, it will lessen the stress levels they are working under right now. Thanks for respecting our crews. Replacement trees will be planted throughout the city in the next few weeks by Tree Fredericksburg personnel who are contractors to the city. Planting trees is still a fairly healthy activity to be involved in, and there should be no more than 2 or 3 staff involved in each planting. Please, again, respect the space of these folks, and if you must engage them, speak from a distance of at least 6 feet away. The city's Arbor Day ceremony has been canceled, unfortunately, for this year. Please look for further updates on the city's Public Works pages. They are updated as necessary. For answers to other questions, please call the Public Works City Hall number at 372-1023. We are still here, ready to assist as we can.
Thanks again for joining us as we give you another update on what the city is trying to do to help limit your exposure and protect you from the effects of the novel coronavirus known as COVID-19. First, the statistics. As of today, there were 46,455 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the United States of America that resulted in 593 deaths. In Virginia, 4,470 people have been tested for the disease, with 290 people testing positive, resulting in 45 of those being hospitalized and unfortunately 7 deaths. In our immediate area, we still only have 8 total cases, 2 being in Spotsylvania and 6 being in Stafford. As of right now, we do not have a positive case within the city of Fredericksburg. More testing will be done, and as the tests continue, I'm sure these numbers will continue to go up. The city continues to provide full service to the public, although with a reduced footprint, as city facilities are still closed to the public. We stand ready to assist you as much as we can through any electronic means. We know you are anxious and nervous about the virus and its effects on your everyday life. Know that the city is here to provide services even during these difficult times. Our first responders are still answering calls for service, and other essential functions like trash pickup and water and wastewater treatment continue to move forward as normal. If you have questions about your health and whether you should seek medical care, we have partnered with Mary Washington Healthcare and their HealthLink nurse line. It's available to you from 6 a.m. to midnight, 7 days a week. That number is 540-741-1000. The number again, 540-741-1000. This is especially important to use so you do not overtax the EMS system with conditions that can be handled by other means. As a reminder, remember to practice good personal hygiene like washing your hands, often with soap and water, covering your cough or sneeze, and staying home and away from others when you are sick. This goes a long way to protecting yourself and your loved ones. If you have symptoms consistent with flu or COVID-19 and they are getting worse, please do not hesitate to dial 911. If you want additional information, you can check the Center for Disease Control and Prevention's website or the Virginia Department of Health website, or we're always available 24 hours a day at www.fredericksburgva.gov. Thank you.